Hold up. Wait a minute. We gonna get paid on TikTok? What? What? Yo, I'm about to find out. Let's go. Yo, Donald B here, guys. Listen up. Guess what? Big news is broke out today where you get to apply today. Today's what? August 18th. Right now it's like almost midnight, so check your stuff, check your accounts. You can apply today to see if you can get paid on TikTok. TikTok is about to pay you guys. This is crazy. Now, there's an application fee, there's an application process you have to do, but I'm telling you, well worth it. It's real easy to do. But before we get into that, guess what I'm going to ask you? Guess what I'm about to ask you to do? You know what it is. Like, subscribe, and comment. But hit the notification button. That's most important anyways. But you can always leave comments. But anyways, you guys have been looking for this for like the longest time, trying to find ways to be monetized on this platform, because it hasn't been like that except for the, what do you call it? The people giving you the donations. But there's a way that TikTok is going to pay you now. Now, that's the exciting piece about this whole situation, because we've been waiting for a long time. Now, what's going on with TikTok, we don't know. We're still waiting to see what's going to happen within the 45-day period of whatever the executive decision will be made. So we'll find out about that. The exciting piece is you're going to get paid just for your creativity. Just for your creativity. Can you imagine that? Just having fun with this and just getting paid for it. Now, the biggest question you have, I know you have it. Who's eligible? How does that happen? It's not just anybody, and that's true. There's always a catch. Of course, there's always a catch. Now, this is in some eyes is an easy catch. Some isn't. For me, I believe we meet all the requirements based on what it's telling you, because everybody believes like how many followers you have to have, how many likes you have to have, how many views or follows, whatever. And people are expecting this very high number. I think people are expecting like 50 to 100,000 followers in order to get paid, to get qualified for this. No, that's not the case. That is not the case. It's not 100,000, it's not 75,000, not 50,000, not 40, 30. Listen up, guys. Yes, it's still a process, it's still a chance. It still can be kind of hard for some of us. I get it, I understand that. But I'm telling you, I promise you, it doesn't take much. It takes one video to blow you up. I'm telling you that. I've experienced it myself, and I got like 50,000 from one video. So don't give up. If you feel like you're struggling, just keep pushing out content, and I promise you'll get there if you don't give up. But anyways, here's the eligibility. Here's what it is. I'm going to post right here so you can read it right there yourself in case you can't hear my mouth, you can't hear what I'm saying, because sometimes I do mumble. I hate doing that, and I do apologize. But I'm not doing the video over. So just read and you will see that this is the eligibility. But one of the biggest things is, of course, you got to be 18 or older. Sorry kids, you cannot get involved with this. This will have to be the adults. 18 plus and over can actually apply for this. You have to live in the United States, okay? You have to live in the US. So that's another thing. Another thing is you have to have, this is the biggest one, this is the good news. So for those who think you need 100,000 followers, you don't. Now yes, it may seem to, okay, let's get to it. You need 10,000 followers. Yes, you have to have 10,000 followers to be qualified. It may seem steep for some of you. It may seem very close to it. So just keep pushing your content. I promise you'll get there. 10,000 followers, and it says 10,000 videos viewed within the past 10,000 videos viewed within the past 30 days. So if your videos have at least 10,000 views, and you're pretty much eligible. So, but make sure you do that, as that's very important. And you have to post original content. Well, please be very careful when you guys are posting accounts or creating and reaching out to people to help you grow your channel, because sometimes they'll grow those fake robotic followers. That will hurt you badly. Don't do it. I promise you, it's going to hurt you if you continue doing that. If you feel like you meet all the requirements and they do decline you, you do have another opportunity to do it. You have to wait 30 days in order to do it again. I don't know the process. This is brand new. It just came out today. They haven't discussed, I know we're all wondering how much. They haven't discussed that part of it yet. That is something big, and that's something we're still trying to figure out. But they have almost over $200 million that they're trying to give out to all these creators, okay? Some people have already been approved. If you go online, I'm pretty sure they'll show you some of the people who have already been approved for it. And it doesn't talk money though. We don't know what it is. We don't know what they're getting paid. But this is one of the biggest things for TikTok, for the creators, because TikTok creators are now going to get paid for just creating content. They're paying you to create content. So just all you need to do is keep doing what you're doing. Be creative, continue pushing it, and I promise you what will happen. Once I find out the numbers of what it is, I will let you guys know on here how it works. It's still brand new. We're still learning. All we know is what you are for requirement to be able to beat it, to actually get into it. So just be patient. We will get you those answers. We'll get it to you as fast as we can. And I promise you, you'll be excited about it. But again, for those who aren't at 10,000 yet, I promise you, I'm telling you, I gave you my story before. I'll tell you again. I had 1,000 followers June 23rd at around 7 in the morning or 1 in the morning or 1 in the afternoon. I don't remember what it was. But I can tell you later on that day, I ended up getting 10,000 followers by 7 something in the afternoon. Yes. It's legit. I had from 1,000 to 10. I got 10,000 followers. Actually, it was actually 20,000 followers in one day. So it took this one video, give me 20,000 followers. So don't think you can't do it. You can. I'm telling you, it's possible. But again, those are requirements. Those are to be eligible to be able to do this. Make sure your channel is good. Don't have any bad content. Don't have anything where you've been suspended too many times. That's good. That's not going to help you out at all. But I promise you, things will get better. Things will get good. This is going to be a great opportunity for a lot of you all. This is going to be a great opportunity to just be able to do something different than just. This is your opportunity. Take advantage of it. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go, but again, I'll be back whenever you find out the dollar amounts of what it works, how it works, how many views per dollar per click, whatever it is. We will find out. We will let you know, and I'll get back to you as soon as we find out. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. All right, y'all. All right, y'all.